Hey, it's Abhi here. This is the update number 4 of my building a $5,000 per month business with Instagram Faceless theme page. All right. So let me just go and show you the results, right? So this is the page that I started on 2nd September and I have updated in last 3 videos, which you can watch. And I will leave the playlist link below. All right, and this is my current result, that is 10th of October 2024. And as you can see right now, I have about 75 posts in total, like that is 75 reels and 132 followers, right? And 25 following that I'm following. Okay, so from the last one, right, from the last result, right, I actually got 17 plus followers and 47 overall, right, overall from the start. Now one thing that I need to mention is that the conversion rate of my views to followers is kind of low, right, which I have observed, and I will actually share all those details with you in a bit. Okay, so I reached about 48,000 accounts and about 74,000 views, which is actually good. Okay, now before I go on this video and I update things on, right, please remember that do not follow this page. I do not want any external followers coming from YouTube or Facebook to my this page, otherwise this case study wouldn't make any sense. All right, and if you do actually want to follow me, then you can actually go ahead and follow me at 6fig all right, so you can add that, and you can find this profile pic, and you can DM me if you want there, and I will respond. I haven't started any content there, but I will soon. Okay, so I'm actually going to grow my personal page as well, so I will talk about that. And now look at some stats here. So this is the growth for last 30 days, and as you can see, let me just zoom in. As you can see, 99% of the reels, 99% of the reach has come from reels, because that's obvious, because I'm just only doing the reels. Now the good thing is that there is a change, right? So if you see on my past videos, you will see my top cities has US, top countries has US, and then India, and then some other countries, right? But right now there is no India. That means my content is getting to the right people, getting to the right audience that I actually want. That is the US and other tier 1 countries. As you can see, New York, Sydney, Melbourne, Los Angeles. So US and Australia, US and UK. So that is pretty good. All right, now let's talk about the observation. So this is my page right here, right? You can go ahead and check all the reels. So what I'm doing is let me just go back, let me just browse down a little bit, and you can see few of my reels weren't doing really great. So this style of reel, the full screen reels, weren't doing great that much. And now when I kind of switched it out to a new style, kind of like this one, right, with captions and all, right, it started to perform well. So that's actually good, right? 2,700 views here, right? This is low, but still good, right? You can see 23 views only here, but after that, everything was really consistent, like 1,500 plus everything. So you can see 1,700 and 1,900, like close to 2,000, 1,500 views, 2,000 plus, 1,700, 1,600, 2,400, 1,900, and 1,500 plus, right? So this is my latest reel that I uploaded today at 4 a.m. IST, so that I match the time zone of USA, right? So that I reach that audience that I actually want, and it's kind of working right now. And if you can see the notification, you can see I am actually getting follower, right? 17 hours ago I got a follower, right? 1 day ago I got a couple of followers, and then I have more followers like 3 days ago, and that was 2 days ago, right? 2 days ago. So I'm actually kind of getting followers right now. Like every day I'm getting like 2-3 followers, which is not a lot, but it is consistent, and that's what I'm focusing on now. And I'm pretty sure after like few more videos, I should be getting a good viral video, or at least a semi-viral video. So that's my observation right here, and I actually need to figure out how to convert how to have a better conversion rate from my views to actually have more followers right here, right? So about like just 10 followers from 10 September to 20th September, 10 days, and 10 followers, that's like 1 follower a day on average. I need to improve on that. Well, actually this one I think, right, 20th September to 10th October, so that's a pretty big difference, like about 20 days, and I only got like 17 followers, so excuse my mistake there. And let's just go down below and take a look at more stats, right? So this is my growth strategy. If you're new here, if you're watching this new, so this is my growth strategy, using other people's proven content and recreate it with my theme. So you can see this is my theme, the blue, little blue and white of Millionaire Tribe logo, and I'm just using it consistently on my captions, and so you can see the captions have the white and blue in it, right? and I'm finding content on Instagram itself. So if I go here and you can see saved, so I find content and I saved a bunch of posts. If I go here, you can see I saved a bunch of posts here that that I found that was kind of viral for that page. So I actually have some sort of criteria where I will decide that what content I should choose. So that's what I'm doing. I am posting 2 reels a day, and it only takes about 2 hours. 2 hours. I think actually it reduced even more after doing so many reels. So that's good. Right? I'm actually not doing any follow or unfollow strategy. If you're doing that, stop that. All right, now let's go here. The monetization strategy. This is what I will be doing in future. So I will be doing post content, that is faceless content, that is reels. I will grow followers, and I will use that followers to build my email list, and then ultimately selling affiliate or digital offers to my email list, right? That is my one of the strategies. Second strategy is the shout out ad. So if I have a good sized audience, like more than 100,000 plus followers, I can actually monetize it pretty well, right? And then affiliate offers, digital products, and newsletters like Beehive, where you get paid per subscriber, which is a pretty good monetization model as well. And my ultimate goal is this, right? Getting to 100,000 followers. Again, shout outs, big consistent money. Until then, I will be using affiliate digital product promotion to monetize this channel. And my initial milestone before a promo post, before I try to actually do a promo on my story, on my post, is 5,000 followers. I might try once I hit 1,000 followers, but let's see. So that's all about the update, right? And if you actually have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, right? And if you actually want to contact me, you can actually go here, follow me, and send me a DM, right? I haven't started any content, but I will do it soon. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.